Good day, everybody. Today I have another little review for you today, which is a continuation of another one I was doing about 2 weeks ago or so, maybe a little bit more. It was CodySpeed Street-O-Matic camera pouch. This one is the second half that I'm going to be doing today, which is a part that never came in, which is a waist belt, and it has a phone holder pouch and a stuff bag. So let's just pop right into the video and I'll show you what I got here. This is what I got here. These, they missed these in my order because the company is actually from Germany, but they have a fulfillment with another gimbal store in the US. Can't remember the exact name of it. So I finally got this in about a week or so ago. So I will get into this and show you what else I have here. I'll also leave a link up in the video here to the first video if you haven't seen it, so you can see the first half. So what we got here, we got a belt that you snap into, kind of like a MOLLE system. And this one here is your phone holder, and it is also it's a photography pouch for mobile photography. You got this little pouch here, you open up, and when it's hanging off your hip, it'll just sit downwards. So it just hangs there and you can grab what you need with one hand, open it up. Right now, I don't have the lens separator in here at the moment, but I do have it right here, which will just attach into four corners here. And then you have a little spot for your mobile lenses, which I'm still trying to choose what mobile lenses I do want. So eventually I'll have some in there at some point here when I find a good pair. And it's got a little strap on here for other little things. I'm guessing cords or whatever you want to put in there. Nice little pouch on the front here for other extras. And then grab my phone here. And you have your lenses attached to your phone. You just slide it in here. And then this little piece would just come up over top your lens and go around the top of the lens. And then you just cinch it down on the side and it holds your phone in there. Right now, I don't have any lenses, so I still use this. I just wrap it around my phone like this. Just cinch it down. Not like that. Just wrap it around here and just cinch it down, and it keeps my phone in there. Like if I'm wearing this across my back instead of my hip, then I can have this pretty much upside down and my phone's not coming out. Okay, so we'll go on to the stuff sack here. There was another one that I wanted to get, which is their CodySpeed Power. Anyway, it's another kind of like a stuff sack, but it comes with a wireless 10,000 milliamp wireless charger battery bank that sits in there, and then it has space enough for your phone to slide right in over top of it, and you can charge it right in the case without any wires. Anyway, this one is just the stuff sack, which has a nice big open compartment right there, which I do keep a charger in there, which is more than enough room. And if you do have a wireless one, it will work the same way as their other sack would have worked. And then in this little pocket, which this does come with, is it's supposed to be an RFID blocking wallet, but it also comes with this handy little SD card holder sleeve. So you can have up to 8 of them, and just slide it in there. It's always at your hand, and it has a little pouch in here too for other little extras. It's really handy. One thing I don't understand about these is what the Velcro on the back is supposed to be for. Maybe you can put a lanyard or something through there and carry it around your neck. That might be what that's for. I'm not too sure because they don't really explain it on the website, so I'm aware if that's exactly what that's for. What else we got here? It also comes with a couple loops on the side here for hanging other items off of. You have items on a carabiner or whatever. And then it also does have another couple slits here, so you can attach another couple items that are MOLLE capable. I think that's just 2 slits on there. And then you got your adjustment strap back here. And if it gets longer, then you have this little part to wrap it up in and close it off. That also has pocket up top too, right there. Other little items. And it's a fair size too. It almost goes the full length Well, it does go the full length of the back here. So you have a fairly big pocket there too. One thing you have to think about though, if you're going to be using that pocket and you're going to be using it around your waist, it can't be something that's going to be hurt by bending it. If you're going to carry something like a phone or something in there or whatever, well, this is made for a phone, but if you're going to carry anything else in there, you want to make sure that does good on bending, because this whole part bends when it's on your hip. A little different story if it's on your back, because then it's more flat. But just something to think about. All in all, I really like it. I haven't got much time to use it so far since I'm back to work and doing a whole bunch of cleaning at the restaurant I work at. So I will get out there and get some use out of this though. But my thoughts on it are they're very well made. They're worth the price point, which for this whole getup, the stuff sack, this one's called the Phoneslinger Prime, and little wallet that it comes with. This always comes with the wallet. All this included is $158 Canadian. It is well worth the money. My other previous one, the CodySpeed Street-O-Matic, was about $150 Canadian. The power one, their Phoneslinger power kit that I wanted to get. Well, no, the power kit comes actually with this, but the power alone, which comes with its own stuff sack, and their 10,000 milliamp wireless charger is $145.99 Canadian. So at some point I'll be getting that too and doing a review on that as well, because it's fairly handy, and I can just change out which sacks I want on this belt. All in all, it seems decent for like going out for the day, or if you're going out touring around during the summertime. It's great to have. They also have other ones that are made for like right outdoors, and they're water resistant and whatnot. But you know what? I was just thinking I was just going to throw a can of waterproofing spray on this. It might make it a little bit darker, but honestly, then I can not be afraid of having a little bit of water on it. I haven't really tested that to see if it's water resistant at all, but I actually might do that and see if it has some water protection, which most fabrics like this do have some to a point. All in all, that's pretty much all I can think about on this one right here. It's decent. They're a little bit more expensive, but they are well made and worth the money. If there's anything else you'd like to know about it, leave a comment down below in the comments section. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. And I'll also leave the links down below to the website and their partner site, Evo Gimbals in the USA, which sells the same thing. Anyway, thank you very much. Have a great day, and see you in the next video.